Alright guys, welcome to my 2003 K24 EP3. It is finally done, so let me bring you on a ride and tell you a little bit about the process of how this got done. Might be a little shaky, so alright. Alright, so we're off in the K24 swapped EP3. Yeah, so about last year I got the K24a from Japan, JDM version. It's basically the K24a too, out of the TSX. So yeah, I got that. I was swapping out the motor, which this originally has the K20A3, which is a load of trash. So if you have the EP3, I totally advise you to totally swap the motor. K20A2 is a good motor. The Zs, the K20Zs, those are also good motors. I went with the K24a just because, well, I like the torque of the motor, and the horsepower. Stock was 200 horsepower, so I have full bolt-ons. So this has, so one of the differences between the K24a and the K20A3 that was originally in this is the K20A3 doesn't have true VTEC. So this has 3-lobe on both cams, exhaust and intake. Whereas the K20A3 doesn't even have a 3-lobe. It has 2-lobe on, I think, the intake and 1 lobe on the exhaust. So it doesn't have true VTEC. So this is street tuned, however. I do have full bolt-ons. I will go over those in a second. It's street tuned at about, I don't know, he says it's around 225, 230. I think it might be a little less than that, but she does rip. And when you hear VTEC kick in around 4,500 RPMs, it is so fun. So fun, so fun. It has got a lot more pep in its step than the A3, let me tell you. I'm going to do a little rip around here, hold on. There's VTEC. Just a 3rd gear pull, and man, this thing rides out hard. Rides out so hard. So with this setup, I went with the K24a from Japan, like I said, but I also kept the 5-speed. So the 5-speed has the 410 gears, which I like a lot. So right now I have a Skunk 2 Ultra Racing intake manifold with a smaller throttle body. I do have a 70mm throttle body at the house, but right now I have the K20A3 throttle body, which I think is 62mm. But yeah, I have a bigger one at the house. It does have header, my bad, and full exhaust. And it's on K Pro, so we are on K Pro. Plans for this car is I am going to turbo it eventually. I think around Christmas time. But yeah, guys, this car is so much more different than when I had the A3 in it. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell because there will be a turbo build in the near future. Alright guys, peace.